Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own customized puzzles using Canva. Whether you're making a fun activity for kids, crafting a unique gift, or just want to add a playful twist to your social media posts, you'll be able to design your very own puzzle image in just a few simple steps. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn any photo into a puzzle. It's quick, it's easy, and you don't need to be a design pro to follow along. All you need is your imagination and a few minutes of your time, so let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Canva. If you already have an account, just log in, but if you're brand new, signing up is free and super easy. Once you're in, you're going to see that big purple Create button usually up in the top right corner. Give that a click. This is your launchpad for starting any project in Canva, from presentations to social posts. For today, what we want is the photo editor, so when the menu pops up, select Photo Editor. This tool gives us the flexibility we need to customize our design without any distractions. Now let's get the photo you want to turn into a puzzle. On the left sidebar, click on the Elements tab. This is where Canva hides a treasure trove of graphics, photos, and illustrations. From here, you can either search for a specific photo or browse through the elements if you're feeling inspired. If you already have a photo you love saved on your computer, you can just upload it using the Uploads tab instead, totally up to you. Once you've found your perfect picture, just click it and it'll appear front and center on your canvas. Take a moment to adjust its size or drag it into position, making sure it fills up the space the way you want. This will be the base for your custom puzzle. Alright, now comes the fun part, actually adding the puzzle lines. Head back to the Elements tab on the sidebar. In the search bar, type in the word puzzle. Press enter and a big variety of puzzle templates, outlines, and graphics will pop up. Some might look like individual pieces, while others will be full grid overlays. Don't feel rushed here, scroll through until you find a puzzle design that feels just right for your project. For a classic jigsaw look, I recommend picking one that shows the whole set of interlocking lines. Once you've clicked on your chosen puzzle design, it'll land on your canvas, right on top of your photo. Now this is where a little resizing magic comes in. Grab the corners of the puzzle overlay and gently stretch them until they cover your entire image. The goal is to make sure all the important parts of your photo line up nicely within the puzzle lines, kind of like fitting a lid on a box. Don't worry if you need to nudge or adjust a few times. This part might take a few moments to get just right, especially if you're picky about the way the puzzle overlays the details of your photo. And honestly, that's it. Super simple, right? You've just created a custom puzzle graphic using Canva. From here, you can save your image, print it out, or share it online, whatever works best for you. If you want to take it even further, feel free to add text, fun backgrounds, or other personal touches. The options are endless, so play around until you're happy with your creation. Thanks so much for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or other Canva ideas you'd love to see covered. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, creative tutorials just like this one. I'll see you in the next video.